Hi everyone, I am Ravneet Kaur, a teacher from GoldenBee Global with WebCure BGM campus. I'm here to talk about World Photography Day. So what is World Photography Day? Every year, photography lovers come together and participate in a global celebration of all things photography, from the science behind to the history of early photography. As Henry Cartier quoted, it is an illusion of photos that are made with the camera. World Photography Day 2023 will be held on August 19. Each year, World Photography Day has a theme. This year in 2023, the theme is Understanding Clouds. World Photography Day marks the creation of a daguerreotype process in 1837 by Louis Daguerre and Joseph. The process allowed highly detailed photography to be created on the sheet of copper coated with silver. The process revolutionized the photography industry as the first practical photographic process. On the 19th August 1893, the French government acknowledged the invention and purchased the patent for daguerreotype process. This day marked the beginning of what we celebrated as World Photography Day. How can we celebrate World Photography Day in 2023? The popular ways is to celebrate this event by entering a competition. You might like to create your own school photography competition. There are also free international photography competitions which are open for all photographers no matter their age and experience level. Other ways people celebrate this event includes watching a documentary about the history of photography, learning about the famous photographer, creating a photography blog or a journal, experimenting with several types of photography, going on a photo walk of your local neighborhood. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.